So this is a yield, slow it down, you're moving too fast. And you have your own lane, check to the left. Is it safe? Run like crazy, run, come on, step on it. It's 60, get up to 60, then get out of the lane. Hurry up, you're backing off. That's how you could get yourself smashed up. You've got to get the speed up. Alright, that was incorrect. At the lights coming up, left turn. Now watch your speed, slippery roads, moving too fast. And remember, this is a test area for Guelph. We're on the way to the test center. We're driving to the test center, but we have to go through this area. Now notice that the lights are green, but it's for those people going straight. So we have to wait for a green arrow. And there you have it. Go quickly. If it goes away, then you're gonna have to wait. When it's safe, you go. Now left to the lights ahead. Middle of the intersection because it's a green light and we have to wait for those cars to come through. They have the right of way. Check to your left to make sure there's no one walking across in the crosswalk. From the left to the right or right to the left. Is it safe to go now? Yes, take it. Take it easy. You just spun your tires. Erratic behavior. Your lane ends. So signal check, move to the right. And that's about it for your pre-test.